It's 6:30 p.m. and right behind me there's going to be a beautiful sunset. Although the sun is hidden in the clouds, but right now I am at Kandolim beach, and as you can see around me, it is very lively. Although it is the 16th of May today, we are in the off season, but as you can see here, there are so many tourists, mostly Indian tourists. And this beach, as you know, is very well known, very famous among the international tourists. So you can grab a chair here and just sit here and have a look at the gorgeous sunset. And right now the situation of the shacks is they are still open. So this is Laurentius, that side there is Boat Shack. I've moved a little bit away from the Boat Shack and now I'm walking towards Jackson's Beach Cafe. So many of you guys who are watching our channel, watching our videos since a long time, especially our viewers from the UK, I know most of you guys love this shack, and why not? They have some really amazing nights, really lively nights, and a very good DJ. And meanwhile, let me show you the sun as it keeps going down. And in case if you are interested in water sports, these are the rates. Right now I do not see most of the water sports people here, but I am guessing it is open, but I'm not really sure. No, it's locked. So you'll have to check, because the weather has been extremely windy and it did rain a couple of days back. So the weather was very bad for water sports, but I'm not sure if the weather improves, whether they will continue or not. So right now, let's keep walking a bit ahead and I'll keep showing you the shack. So this one here is Monaco's shack. And as we keep walking ahead, you can see that there are so many people. I mean, the people are there everywhere. It just doesn't look like it's the off season. What's this? Okay, another famous shack, Bobby's Shack. So the vibe right now, as you can see, very nice, very lively. And although it is the summer season, the weather can be very hot in the afternoons, but since 2 days it's been cloudy, it's been very good. So look at these guys here, they are sitting there chilling, having their shisha and looking at the sunset. So because the weather has been cloudy lately, the sunset is not very clear, but usually around this time of the year the sunsets are great. Another shack here, Spotty's Shack, and these guys have so many tables as well, and they have sunbeds. So if I'm not mistaken, the charge is around 100 or 200 rupees for the sunbed. And the reason why there's a charge is because some of them will just sit on the sunbeds and not order anything. So obviously it's a loss for them, especially if it's around the season time. Okay, now let's move ahead. So as you can clearly see, all the shacks, almost all the shacks are still open. Nothing is shut. These guys are repairing something here. And that there in the distance is, let me zoom in, is Shinkeri. So that side behind that hill is Fort Aguada. And as far as the eye can see, you'll see people, you'll see shacks, Ronnie Shacks. I love Goa. This symbol is so common, it's there almost everywhere. And look at these guys. So these guys are the lifeguards. They even have dogs here because of any threats or something. The dogs are there to sniff the threats out, obviously. And let me show you a glimpse of the ocean right now. As you can see, like I said, the weather has been cloudy lately. You cannot see anyone out for a swim because the water looks a bit rough. Actually, it's quite rough. And the thing about Kandolim beach, what I've noticed is that it is very steep. So once you get in there, you will get deep water right away. But yes, today we are not going out in the water. You can see here people are having fun. They're just sitting, just enjoying the sunset. And there in the distance again, the sun just has disappeared in the clouds. Many of you guys watching our videos must be curious about the weather. So as you can see around me, it's cloudy, and 16th and 17th of May is supposed to be a yellow alert. That's what the meteorological department has mentioned. And this is a stretch of the beach where there aren't much of shacks. But then, like I told you, you can go walking all the way up until there. So let me see how far I can go. And there are some more shacks there. And I'm really interested to go that side because it's been like so many years since I had gone there. So I just want to go ahead and see what's happening there. I have moved away from that shack and I'm going to be walking further ahead there. And like I said, in the distance, you can go for a really long walk. There are many more shacks there, and as you can see here, people, it's mostly domestic tourists, mostly families. I see a lot of school kids. So this is the month of May, and in India during the month of April and May there are summer vacations. That's the reason why a lot of families are in Goa. And again guys, such a beautiful quiet stretch of the beach. The breeze is very nice, it's cool, it's not at all feeling very hot. I just passed by these beautiful shacks and I could not really show you the way through the shacks because there is very loud music that's going on. This side of the beach I can see that there's an empty stretch to walk, and then there are shacks scattered around everywhere. Like there are some more shacks there. So again, if you don't like crowded places, this stretch for you will be perfect. And once again guys, the view from here is amazing. We are continuing our walk further, and once again now I've come closer to the water here. Just look at this. The sea is very rough, so everyone is avoiding not going out in the sea. And just look at this gorgeous shack here. This one's called Goan Hut. Look at this for a view. There's a branch right here on the shore and people are clicking pictures. And guys, guess what? We are not done. And as you can see, the water, the tide has made this formation, so I have to walk a bit carefully. If I go near the edge, I might just slip and fall down. So yes, I made my way up a little bit, and there in the distance there are so many more shacks. So I walked quite a bit, almost like 15 to 20 minutes now. Like I said, I've been walking so much and I've covered so much distance, and then there is so much more remaining as well. That side again, there's a beautiful fort there. In case if you've not been there, you should visit the fort. And right up ahead on the hill there is Aguada jail. So hopefully someday we can visit the jail. But it's been such a pleasant walk, and it's actually a bit risky for me to be outdoors for a while because it can rain anytime and I don't have any protection for the camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. We've covered almost the entire stretch of the beach, the main areas at least. That side, like I said again, is Shikeri. Maybe someday I'll take you there. And yes, it was a great walk. And until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.